We'll guide you through how to make Google the homepage in Google Chrome. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in Chrome, and you can go and see I'm on Google. Google is my favorite search engine to go and use, so I wanted to go and be the homepage in Google Chrome, and it's also going to be the search engine I go and use as well. So I'm going to guide you through how you can go and set this up. I really like it as well because I'm using my Google account, so it's then all synced across, my search history, etc. So we're going to walk you through this step by step. Make sure you do watch this full guide though, as there are different ways you can go about this, and there are different ways you need to know essentially. So to go and get started in Chrome, you want to go to the top right. There you're going to go and find the three dots which you want to go and click on. Go down the list and find settings. It's right at the bottom, the second option from the bottom to be precise. Go and click on it. So to get started, you want to go over to the left and you want to go and find search engine and click that there. Then you want to go and press manage search engines and site search. And you want to go down to search engines and you want to go and find Google, and you want to go to the right and press the three dots. I'll do this with another just to show you, and you need to press make default, and then Google will be the default. So press the three dots to the right of it and press that there. Now that should be the default search engine. The next thing we need to do is choose on startup. So you can come over to the left and press that there. And then in here, you want to go and press open a specific page or set of pages. So I've already done this here. Let's go and say I went and removed it though. Select that, then press add a new page. And then here you want to go and type in google.com, and then you can go and press add. So now when Chrome's opened, it's going to go and use the specific page, google.com. And also when we go and open up a new tab, it's going to go and use Google as that's the default search engine. So that's it. We've successfully gone and set it up. If you found this useful and you want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. We post how-tos like this every single day, so I'm sure you're going to find another one useful, so you can go and check out the channel. If you have any suggestions, feel free to put them down below, and I look forward to help you in the next how-to with whatever it is.